Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step we solve the innermost parenthesis, small brackets. Now multiply 15 multiply 8 inside the round brackets. This is 15 multiplied by 8 is equals to 120. According to this step, BODMAS rule dictates the order of operations inside the innermost brackets must be solved first to reduce the expression. And now the current expression become 45% of square bracket 200 minus 120. Move to next step. Now solve the outer square brackets. Now in the square brackets subtract inside the square brackets. Now 200 minus 120 and is equals to 80. According to this step, brackets still hold the highest priority and so we must simplify the remaining brackets expression before moving to operation outside it. So now the current expression become 45% of 80. Move to next step. Now calculate 45% of 80 of operations. So now 45 upon 100 multiplied by 80. Now cut it down the value. Now you can cut down the zeros or either you can multiply 0.45 multiplied by 80 without cutting zeros, and after you will get 36. And according to these steps, after clearing all the brackets off, operations take precedence of mathematically functions and multiplication. Now 36 as a final result. So now according to this expression, the conclusion says by systematically applying the hierarchy of BODMAS rule, moving from innermost grouping symbols outward and then evaluating the percentage of operation, and the expression clearly simplifies to a final value is 36. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.